Tramex ME5 Moisture Meter Review. Pinless precision that finds hidden water fast. Ever pressed a pin meter into a client's beautiful hardwood floor only to watch their face fall? Or spent an hour poking holes across a wall trying to map where the leak actually is? You're chasing invisible moisture with tools that leave visible damage. And honestly, it feels wrong every single time. You know there has to be a faster, cleaner way. Drop a comment if this sounds painfully familiar. Every pinhole leaves a mark. Every missed wet spot turns into mold, callbacks, and reputation damage. The pressure mounts when you're trying to document water damage for insurance but can't scan finished surfaces without wrecking them. Temperature swings throw analog meters off, manual readings take forever, mental exhaustion creeps in when you can't trust your data. There's a smoother, non-destructive approach that actually respects surfaces and delivers clarity instantly. Then everything changed when I found the Tramex Moisture Encounter ME5. Don't just pick any moisture meter. Make sure it has true pinless electromagnetic scanning so you never waste time destroying finished surfaces to find hidden water damage again. The ME5 glides across walls, floors, and ceilings without leaving a single mark, penetrating up to 1 inch deep to detect moisture you can't see. Press the sensor pad flat, and within seconds, you get precise digital readings. 5 to 30% moisture content for wood, comparative scales for drywall and concrete, all temperature corrected and material calibrated. A restoration contractor told me he was mapping a flooded basement when the ME5 caught moisture behind pristine tile that his pin meter would have destroyed checking. The traffic light LED system, green, yellow, red, tells you instantly where problems hide without reading numbers. Here's what surprised me. The audible tone lets you scan while watching the surface, not the display. Rugged Irish-built construction survives daily job site abuse. The battery lasts thousands of readings, and the backlit display works flawlessly in dark crawl spaces or bright sunlight. Imagine reclaiming hours every week. No more methodical pinpoint grids, no patching pinholes, just smooth scanning that maps entire rooms in minutes and pinpoints exactly where moisture lurks beneath the surface. Building inspectors across the industry now specify Tramex meters in their standard operating procedures because the ME5 eliminates operator guessing and surface damage simultaneously. IICRC certified restoration professionals report that insurance adjusters actually prefer the non-destructive documentation because it proves moisture extent without additional property damage claims. One flooring contractor shared how subsurface concrete slab scanning with the ME5 prevented a catastrophic installation over hidden moisture that calcium chloride tests would have taken days to reveal. Expert reviews in restoration trade publications consistently rank the ME5 among the top 3 pinless meters for accuracy and durability. Worried about the learning curve or calibration complexity? There isn't one. Press to surface, read the display, follow the LEDs. Field calibration check devices verify accuracy in seconds. Cross-tested against premium competitors costing twice as much, the ME5 matched sensitivity and repeatability across all material types. Are you losing credibility or facing liability because you can't document moisture without causing damage? Thousands of inspectors and contractors already trust Tramex daily for exactly this reason: fast, accurate, and totally respectful of property integrity. Here's what actually transforms your workflow: faster inspections, cleaner documentation, zero surface damage, and the quiet confidence that you're catching problems other tools miss entirely. Thousands of building professionals, restoration teams, and flooring experts rely on the Tramex ME5 daily because it simply works. Every scan, every surface, every time. If you're ready to stop apologizing for pinholes and start mapping moisture with true precision, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment below. Tap it, explore the ME5, and experience the non-destructive clarity your work deserves.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.